Good morning, children. I am your English teacher Binod Kumar Yadav. Today, all of you are welcome in online class of English Reader. Today, we shall study about a famous poem. Trees are the kindest things I know. The poet is Harry Ban. Trees are the kindest things I know has been composed by Harry Ban. In this poem, we shall study about that trees are very important for us. Trees teaches us the selfless service. Trees help us without return. It always gives. It do not get anything from us. So trees are the kindest thing for us. How trees are the kindest thing for us? Not only for us, trees are the kindest things for human beings, animals, birds, and insects also. So, read this poem and try to understand. Trees are the kindest things I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. Here, the poet tells us trees are the only things that slowly grow. They do not harm to anyone. They always give something to us as they spread their shade for the sleepy cows, those cows who sits under the shade of the trees and sleeps peacefully under the cool shade of the trees. Birds come on the trees from all the directions and they make their nests on the branches of the trees. Here, boughs means branches. Gather means collect. They are the first when days began to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light. When evening changes into night, here the poet tells us birds are the first creatures who welcome the sunlight for the first time because on the trees the sunlight comes first. So birds welcome the sunlight first. It shows that days starts and they Sunlight touches the beams of the morning sun, touches on the branches of the trees. They are they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Trees On the trees, birds live. So when the sun sets, the poet tells us they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And in the third stanza of the poem, the poet tells us when moon floats in the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest thing I know. When the leaves of the trees make a sound, it seems like as lullaby, drowsy lullaby. Lullaby is a song. It is sung for sleeping the little children. So the poet tells us trees are the kindest thing for us, I know. According to this poem, fill in the blanks to complete the summary of the poem. B.3. Trees are the kindest of all things that we know because they do not harm anyone. They grow peacefully and spread their branches all around, cause rest in their shadow, and birds gather to rest in their boughs. When the day begins, the first beam of the sun falls on the trees. They are the last to hold the light of the sun when the days turn into night. During the night, the moon floats on the sky and the leaves move about silently humming a lullaby to help the children sleep. The trees have been serving mankind selflessly for ages. Hence, they are the kindest things that we know. This is your CW. And page number 39, B.4 to B7. This is your HW. I hope that you will understand everything very well. Thank you very much.